In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Let's add a curve point. If you don't see the curve point in the menu, please activate an Extra Objects add-on. Please remember to press the 3D button. Type E to extrude. In edit mode, once you're done extruding, type A as in alpha to select all, V as in Victor to set the handle type, and type A to smooth it. Let's create a plane and subdivide it in edit mode by right-clicking and typing S. I'll add a curve modifier. Please use Workbench with a random color option, a 768 by 768 pixel resolution, and please disable the composite nodes. Let's render another one by using the Cycles renderer. Please render the image and import the Workbench render image in Stable Diffusion. Please remember to set the preprocessor to none, and select the correct depth model. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. The Workbench render image didn't work well as the reference image. Let's try the Cycles renderer image. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.